Here's the problem with most AI strategies presented to boards. They're unreadable. Slides full of jargon, neural nets, architecture diagrams. It all sounds impressive, but no one leaves the meeting understanding what's next. So, here's how to build a board-level AI roadmap that actually gets traction. It's simple. Use 3 pillars: vision, value, and velocity. Vision. Explain where AI fits into your company's 3 to 5-year plan. Is it about cost savings, customer experience, or entirely new products? Value. Quantify impact in business terms. Revenue growth, margin expansion, churn reduction. No one cares about model accuracy if it doesn't tie to dollars. Velocity. Define how fast you'll move. Pilots, talent, infrastructure, and adoption timelines. Boards don't need details. They need clarity and confidence. Your roadmap should tell a story, how AI turns from experiment to advantage. If you can communicate that in 5 slides or less, you're not just leading an AI project, you're leading an AI-driven company.